Welcome to Commonwealth Capital Advisors, the architects of finance. Our company goal is to enable every entrepreneur to succeed in their capital raising efforts. To this end, we have created the Financial Architect System. Financial Architect, the fastest way to legally raise capital, guaranteed. The commercialization of innovation benefits society in many ways. However, most would be shocked at the number of innovations that are unable to be commercialized due to the lack of capital available for startup and early-stage companies. For startup and early-stage companies, raising substantial amounts of seed, development, or expansion capital from institutional sources such as venture capital firms, angel networks, investment banks, or commercial banks is extremely difficult, if not impossible. Substantial amounts of capital means more capital than a commercial bank would normally loan a company based on its operating history and/or the personal financial strength of its principals. Henceforth, the need for an alternative method, the selling of securities to individual investors to raise capital. The market is very large, and the demand for capital from startup and early-stage companies is insatiable. However, there are three basic problem issues when it comes to raising capital. 1. Affordability of the high cost of securities offering document production. 2. Marketability of the proper deal structure to investors. And 3. Deliverability of the offering to many investors in compliance with federal and state laws. Financial Architect is our patent-pending solution to solve all these problem issues. 1. Affordability. Financial Architect saves entrepreneurs up to 95% of the traditional cost of creating a securities offering document in a fraction of the time. 2. Marketability. Financial Architect creates marketable deal structures that sell in today's marketplace. 3. Deliverability. Financial Architect provides access to accredited angel investors and many other sources of capital around the world that have an interest in funding startup and early-stage companies. Traditionally, the primary problem with selling securities to raise capital from individual investors has been the initial cost. The standard cost associated with the production of a securities offering document, which is required by federal and state law to solicit and sell securities, can range from $35,000 to $75,000 or higher, depending on the issuing company's circumstances. The process to create this document would normally take 30 to 60 days as well. For most startup and early-stage companies, this cost is prohibitive. With our Financial Architect system, an entrepreneur can purchase any one of the appropriate programs for a mere fraction of the standard cost and accomplish the initial document production task within a few hours with the seed capital producer, and can legally start raising seed capital that same day. To further the capitalization effort for most companies, one can then produce a Regulation D securities offering document in approximately 10 to 20 hours, assuming they have a current business plan, or 30 to 50 hours if they do not. Small business owners and entrepreneurs who purchase and use Financial Architect make a quantum leap in their ability to raise substantial amounts of capital because Financial Architect is a complete expert system, not just a securities offering document production template program. However, once the securities offering document production affordability issue has been solved, two other major issues remain. Most entrepreneurs and their professional service providers, attorneys and accountants, are not familiar with how to create a marketable deal structure for a securities offering while maintaining the vast majority of common equity ownership and voting control. Most entrepreneurs sell too much of their company too early for too little. In addition, most do not know how to effectively deliver and sell it to the investor community. Financial Architect solves both issues simultaneously. The marketability issue is solved by enabling entrepreneurs to easily structure seed capital convertible bridge notes and participating convertible and callable preferred stock that is designed to sell directly to individual accredited investors. The delivery issue is solved through access to accredited angel investors and many other sources of capital around the world that have an interest in funding startup and early-stage companies, and the marketing, selling, and follow-up compliance procedures related to a securities offering. This simple three-step process of affordability, marketability, and deliverability is what sets Financial Architect in a class by itself. The Financial Architect product line. Financial Architect has 3 programs for operating companies, which would include retailers, wholesalers, distributors, manufacturers, service companies, or any other type of firm that is not involved in fund management. Financial Architect has 4 programs for fund management as well. In addition, Seed Capital Producer is now available as a standalone program for entrepreneurs who want to start raising capital today. Private Placement Producer for startup and early-stage operating companies. This program is available in 2 versions, the Entrepreneurial Standard Edition and the Professional Advanced Edition. Public Placement Producer for early to later stage operating companies. REIT Producer for startup and early stage real estate funds to publicly traded REITs. Film Producer for startup and early stage film funds. Oil and Gas Producer for startup and early stage oil and gas funds. Venture Producer for startup and early stage venture and hedge funds. Again, there is only one legally viable alternative to submitting business plans to financial institutions, and that is to create a securities offering with a marketable deal structure and sell it to individual investors in compliance with federal and state securities laws. Financial Architect enables you to accomplish this task at a fraction of the normal cost involved. Choose your Financial Architect program and start raising capital today. Financial Architect, the fastest way to legally raise capital, guaranteed.